one or more photos has been virtually staged. Welcome to this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with 1,855 square feet located in the heart of Tampa. This spacious home combines major system updates, a nicely updated kitchen, and a flexible floor plan, making it a great opportunity for buyers looking for a move-in ready home in central Tampa. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, offering a clean modern feel with plenty of space for cooking and entertaining. The kitchen flows into the main living areas, creating a comfortable layout perfect for everyday living or hosting guests. You will appreciate the big-ticket upgrades already completed, including roof, 2021, water heater, 2021, and brand new AC system, 2025, providing peace of mind and reducing major future expenses. With 1,855 square feet of living space, the home offers 3 generously sized bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, giving flexibility for families, guests, home offices, or multi-generational living. The spacious layout provides multiple living areas and plenty of natural light. Located in central Tampa near shopping, dining, major highways, and Tampa International Airport, this home offers convenient access to everything Tampa has to offer. The location makes commuting easy while still enjoying a quiet residential neighborhood. Homes with this amount of space, major system upgrades, and updated kitchen features rarely come available at this value.